Of course, the step size simply is the total time divided by the number of steps. To store the positions and the velocities, we have to make space for one more entry, which is the initial condition. We start the position vector at the right location, meaning that its x component is equal to the radius, we computed above, and the y component of the velocity is equal to the speed, computed above. The other components are equal to 0. This is the forward-Euler method, as we know it, and then we compute the distance between the ultimate position and the initial position using this numpy function, and we return that as the error. So this is the result. What do we learn? If we have a step size of 100 seconds, our end result will be off by about 1.5 times 10 to the 7 meters, about 15 million meters. And you see that this relationship seems to be linear. We are going to look into that in the next segment.